Class 2, English 1, Chapter 8, Describing Words, Part 2. Topic for today is Exercise B, given on page number 35. Dear children, if you remember, uh, if you learned the meaning of describing words, this exercise will be very easy for you to do. I hope you all have learned the meaning of describing word as asked in the previous video and done your exercise A in your copy. Today we are going to do this exercise B. After doing this in your book, do the same in your copy neatly. So before we start this, let's quickly recap the meaning of describing words. What are describing words? Describing words are those words which tell us more about the naming words or nouns. And these describing words in grammar, they are called as adjectives. So I hope you have understood. When we want to say something more about the naming word, we use some words. Though these words can be of their size, it can tell us about their color, number, size, shape, quality, and such words when used together, used before a noun, before a naming word, they are called as adjectives. So let's read this instruction given here. Read the sentences and write the describing words and the nouns they describe. Some sentences may have two describing words. So these are the sentences given on the first column, and then we have to write the describing word and the naming words in the third column. So if we find the naming words, we will come to know what they are describing about it. So let's read the sentence carefully, and then we will look for the naming words first, and then we will identify the describing words. So number 1, my new bag is red in color. So here we are talking about the bag. So here bag is the naming word and color is also a naming word. So how is the bag? What are we talking about? Are we telling more about the bag? Yes, it is new. And my is also an adjective. So you can write new, and there is one more naming word, color here. And how is the color? What's the color? It is red. So red is also a describing word. So there are two naming words, and these two naming words have been described here. The bag is new and the color is red. So new and red are describing words, bag and color are naming words. So write them in their column. So this is how you are going to do it in your copy. First you write down the sentence, below you write describing word and write the words, and then below that you write naming word for that question and write the naming words. Then you come to question number 2. White snowflakes are falling on the trees. Snowflakes, you know, the snow, the soft snow which falls on the trees. So white snowflakes are falling on the trees. So where are the naming words here which are being described here? There are two naming words, snowflakes and trees. Now let's look at how is the snowflake. Here it has been described for their color. So white is the describing word and snowflake is the naming word for this describing word. But there is another naming word here, trees, but there is no describing word for it. we are not there is no information, or it is not telling more about the trees here. It is just mentioned trees, only the naming word is there, no adjective given here. So that's why I have not written the trees in the naming word, though it is a naming word, but it has not been described. We have to write only those naming words which have been described here. So write down the answer as white in describing words and snowflakes in naming words. Number 3, I am wearing my woolen coat. So here, where are the naming words here? Coat. And how is the coat? What is the kind? How is it? It's made of wool. So it is woolen is the describing word. It is giving more information about the coat, as the coat is made of woolen. So wool. So it is woolen coat. So here my woolen is the describing word and coat is the naming word. Number 4, 12 birds are flying in the sky. Now the naming words here in this sentence are birds and sky, but only bird has been described as 12. Sky, we don't find any describing word, so we will write bird as naming word and the describing word for bird is 12. Number 5, an elephant has a long trunk and large ears. Here, where are the naming words? Elephant, trunk, ears. But here elephant's description words are given in specific, that is its trunk has been described. Trunk is a naming word, ears is a naming word, and these naming words have been in particularly described. They are, for trunk they have used a describing word as long, and for ears large has been used. So long and large are the describing words, trunk and ears are the naming words. And elephant is also naming word, but here it is not used any naming words here for the elephant in particular. So we are not writing anything here, though it is a naming word. And long and large are the describing words, which is talking about the size. Now the next question is 6. My friends and I are happy to go to school. Now here the naming words are friends, name of the person, and school is also a naming word. But if we see, there are no words that are describing for school. Is there any word that is describing school? How is the school? No. So we won't write the school name here, because we are choosing only those naming words which have been described here. So friend is another naming word and it has been described. Whose friend? My friend. So my is an adjective. And how are they? My friends and I, how are we? The quality, happy. So my and happy are at describing words and friend is the naming word. Then the green, question number 7, the green frogs are croaking noisily. So here the naming words are only one naming word is there, that is frogs. And how are they? What is the describing word here? How have they been described? Green. The color word has come. So green is an adjective, the describing word. So we will write green in the describing word and frog in the naming word. Green frogs. If we don't write any green word here, it is just a naming word. But when we use green with it, it has become, now this frogs have been described here as green. So green is a describing word and frog is a naming word. Number 8, the hungry cat wants milk. Now here, which is the naming word? Cat. That's the name of an animal, and milk is also a name of a thing. But which word has been described? What, for which word they have given us more information? Cat, how is the cat? Hungry. The quality of the cat has been given. But for the naming word milk, is there any describing word? How is the milk? Do we get any information? No. So it's not telling us more about the milk, it is only telling us about the cat. So the word that is describing the naming word cat is hungry. So we will write hungry as describing word and cat as naming word. So children, I hope you have understood the difference between the naming word and the describing word. Naming words, we need a naming word to use a describing word. So first we need to have a naming word and then we will describe it. And when we tell more about that noun, that word becomes the describing word. And it is used before a naming word. When it is used after a naming word, then there will be a verb in between. What is verb? I will tell you later in when we will learn the action words and the helping verbs. Is, are, were, all these are helping verbs. And it is used after the naming word when these verbs come in between. If it is not there, then the describing words are always used before the naming word. Like here, it has been used. That's why describing word column has come in first and the naming words column has been put in the second place. So you say new bag, red color, white snowflakes, woolen coat, 12 birds, long trunk, large ears, my friends, happy friends, green frogs, hungry cat. So now we can understand if we use like this. But if we say cat hungry, does it make any sense? No. So that's why cat is hungry, that is okay. That is why cat, after that cat we have used a verb is and then the describing word has come. So remember children, the describing word comes before a noun and when it comes after the noun there has to be a verb in between. Clear? We will cover all those things in our later classes. But remember, as of now, when you are learning that just in the beginning part of the initial very early stage of learning the describing words, so you will learn only this much. Later when you go, we will cover all these things and it will be easy to understand if you pay attention. Do this in your copy neatly children and read the sentences as many number of times as you can. It will really help you. Take care. That's all for today.